What are the forms of business organizations? Forms of business organizations include sole proprietorship, where one person owns and operates the business, partnership, where two or more individuals share ownership and responsibilities, and corporation, a legal entity separate from its owners. What are the steps to kickstart a business? The steps to kickstart a business typically involve identifying a viable business idea, conducting market research, creating a business plan, securing funding, registering the business, and launching operations. Who is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is an individual who takes risks to start a new business venture, often with the aim of creating innovative products or services, exploiting market opportunities, and generating profit. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship refers to the process of identifying, evaluating, and pursuing opportunities to create new businesses or innovate within existing ones, often involving risk-taking and innovation. What skills are essential for a successful entrepreneur? Essential skills for a successful entrepreneur include creativity, problem-solving, decision-making, leadership, resilience, communication, adaptability, and the ability to manage time and resources effectively. What are the rewards of entrepreneurship? The rewards of entrepreneurship can include financial success, independence, fulfillment, personal growth, the opportunity to make a positive impact on society, and the satisfaction of seeing one's ideas come to fruition. How does a business differ from other forms of organizations? Unlike other forms of organizations, businesses primarily focus on generating profits through commercial activities, whereas non-profit organizations may prioritize social or charitable objectives. What are the key characteristics of a successful entrepreneur? Successful entrepreneurs often possess traits such as resilience, determination, passion, vision, adaptability, and the ability to learn from failures and setbacks. What role does innovation play in entrepreneurship? Innovation is crucial in entrepreneurship as it enables entrepreneurs to differentiate their products or services, stay ahead of competitors, and capitalize on emerging market trends. Why is risk-taking considered an essential trait for entrepreneurs? Risk-taking is essential for entrepreneurs as it involves venturing into the unknown, seizing opportunities, and making decisions despite uncertain outcomes, which is often necessary for business growth and success. How does effective communication contribute to entrepreneurial success? Effective communication skills enable entrepreneurs to convey their vision, persuade stakeholders, negotiate deals, build relationships, and inspire confidence in their business ventures. What are some common challenges faced by entrepreneurs? Common challenges faced by entrepreneurs include securing funding, managing cash flow, navigating regulatory compliance, dealing with competition, and balancing work-life commitments. How does networking benefit entrepreneurs? Networking allows entrepreneurs to build relationships with potential investors, partners, suppliers, mentors, and customers, which can lead to opportunities for collaboration, growth, and support. What strategies can entrepreneurs use to overcome failure? Entrepreneurs can overcome failure by learning from mistakes, staying resilient, seeking feedback, adapting their approach, and maintaining a positive mindset to persevere through challenges. What are the advantages of starting a business as a sole proprietor? Advantages of sole proprietorship include full control over decision-making, simplicity of operations, minimal legal requirements, and direct retention of profits. How do partnerships differ from other forms of business organizations? Partnerships involve two or more individuals sharing ownership, responsibilities, and profits, with each partner contributing resources, skills, and expertise to the business. What are the main considerations when choosing a form of business organization? Considerations when choosing a form of business organization include liability protection, taxation implications, management structure, funding requirements, and long-term growth prospects. What role does market research play in the entrepreneurial process? Market research helps entrepreneurs understand customer needs, identify market trends, assess competition, and make informed decisions about product development and market entry strategies. How do entrepreneurs foster a culture of innovation within their organizations? Entrepreneurs foster innovation by encouraging creativity, embracing experimentation, providing resources for research and development, and fostering a collaborative and supportive work environment. What are some effective time management strategies for entrepreneurs? Effective time management strategies for entrepreneurs include prioritizing tasks, setting goals, delegating responsibilities, minimizing distractions, and using tools such as calendars and task lists to stay organized. What role does resilience play in overcoming challenges in entrepreneurship? Resilience allows entrepreneurs to bounce back from setbacks, adapt to change, stay motivated in the face of adversity, and maintain focus on their long term goals despite obstacles along the way. How can entrepreneurs leverage technology to enhance their businesses? Entrepreneurs can leverage technology to streamline operations, reach a wider audience through digital marketing and e-commerce, automate processes, gather and analyze data for informed decision-making, and stay competitive in a rapidly evolving marketplace. What are some ethical considerations for entrepreneurs in business decision-making? Ethical considerations for entrepreneurs include honesty and transparency in dealings with customers, suppliers, and employees, fair treatment of stakeholders, adherence to laws and regulations, and commitment to social responsibility and environmental sustainability.